Alright guys, let's see what is happening with gold here on the daily and 4 hour. I will not go to the 1 hour, it's not necessary. Alright, so on the daily we are still moving up, of course. We have a really strong candle here of support. The price already tested the wick and the body multiple times. If we come down to this support again, I believe that we might break down maybe to this daily strong support, maybe to this 4 hour liquidity level, or to the previous or lowest daily strong support candle that was not tested. And if it goes there just below that liquidity, the liquidity level might hold and have a really good bounce up. So we are really far away from that. We have a nice trail here on a daily from this candle here to this candle here. It was already tested by this candle. So after this bull candle here as a strong support, we did not create any strong support here. So to have that, we need a bull candle that is followed by two white candles. We add it here. Okay, the only problem with this candle is that we kind of have a gap between this bull and this bull, so we kind of failed the trail. And by testing that, we are kind of having the confirmation of the trend up. Really simple, but after this one, we need to have a bull candle that is followed by two white candles. It might be today, okay? So if we manage to close today as a white candle, we are going to have a bull candle here that is followed by two white candles. Not yet, guys, not yet. It's just a possibility, okay? And honestly, we already tested every support on the daily down here. We just have the 4 hour inside that daily, but we already tested this daily two times. One time here, second time here. This 4 hour. Why? Because we have a trail, okay? This 4 hour has the lowest candle, okay? Strong support. It was tested by this white candle, as you can see. Test there. So we have a trail on a 4, and after that trail, we have a gap here, right? We created another range here, and we keep moving up. So in the future, this 4 hour might still hold. I kind of don't like going there, honestly. And look at this. Really simple. If we manage to make this daily a strong support, we already have a really good trail here on a 4 hour. So this is the lowest body of a 4 hour, right? It was already tested. So we have a trail from this 4 hour to this 4 hour here. And today we tested that 4 hour. So we just test the wick. If we fail to go to the body, that is going to be even more bullish. The body, of course, if we go there, it can still hold the price and keep laddering up. But I don't want to go there. I just want to have a really good bounce here and try to attack this 4 hour as the next strong resistance. Why? Because it was already tested by this wick here. Even though the body, it was not tested yet, the wick, it was already tested. So if we are going there again, we might just go break this level here and break this level here. Both of them were already tested, and we can attack the all-time high that it was already tested on a 4 hour. You can see over here. Let me make that as a 4 hour, even though it's not a strong support because it was already tested. Okay, and when we tested support resistance, sorry guys, on the top, sorry, I was on the top and talking about supports. No problem. I will not delete this video. So strong support here, and we add a strong resistance here, but you can see it was already tested two times. The price really is really trying to break up, even though we can still go a little bit lower. All right, guys. All right. So I hope you guys like my levels. On the top, we had this 4 hour as a strong resistance, but we went straight to the 1 hour. So we already testing all the lower time frames. Okay, the 4-hour resistance here, it was already tested, as I said before. If we manage to break up this resistance here, sorry, we are probably just going to create a new all-time high, even though we might not see a big reaction here to the upside. Okay, we might see a big bounce to the downside. Okay, so I hope you guys like my levels. Thank you so much, and see you guys on the next video.